Hi guys, I'm Luscious Alicia, and I'll be cooking your famous bumpin' pumpkin bundt cake. Yay! My assistant is my darling niece, Toria. Yay! Okay, what we're going to use today for the ingredients will be golden blossom honey, unsalted butter, we have Jello pudding, we have nutmeg, we have ginger.
And we have 1 cooked sweet potato, a 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin, some molasses, ground cloves, some syrup, cinnamon, Himalayan pink salt, 3 eggs, a cup of flour, and 1/3 cup of sugar.
Yay! So what we have here is a bundt pan. This will be the pan we're using to bake the cake in. You flour and grease it and you set it to the side. And now what we're going to do is start our cake. We're going to use our wet ingredients first, which would be a stick of butter. You would cream this with your sugar, which would be 1/3 cup of sugar. We pour that in here, then we use our blender. So what we're going to do now, we're going to cream the butter. So we'll unwrap it, place it in the bowl, and we'll add 1/3 cup of sugar. And then we'll get our mixer and we'll mix until it's creamy, nice and creamy. We'll add 3 eggs, one at a time. Here's the first egg. Now we'll mix that together until blended. We'll add another egg. That's the second egg. We'll mix that together until blended well. We're going to add 1 more egg until blended well. There you go, niece. That's it. Cool. This is a great cake that we're making here. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Alrighty then, mix, mix, mix. That's what we have to do. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of pumpkin. Yes, we are. Here you go, niece. Put another tablespoon in. Yay! This is what we're having here now. Okay, now we have 1 small sweet potato cooked. Yay! And then we'll put a little, what is that we have here? Syrup, maple syrup. We're going to put a tablespoon of molasses. That's good stuff right there. Another tablespoon, niece. Thanks a lot. All right. Now we're also going to add some honey. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. Yes, we are. All right, niece. We need another one. All right. So there she is putting it in. Here we go. We're almost done. There's another teaspoon of honey. Thanks a lot, niece. Let's see what else we have here. And we're going to give it a taste. Niece, could you hand me a teaspoon, please? This is really good. That's right. What we have here are the dry ingredients. We're going to add Betty Crocker's pound cake mix. Any type of pound cake mix will do, but I prefer Betty Crocker. All right, so we'll add the Betty Crocker pound cake mix. All right, here we go, niece. That looks great. Okay, we'll put that in and we'll continue to add our dry ingredients. And we'll also add 1 cup of flour. Okay, and then we'll add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Oops. Okay, so we have our cinnamon, and we'll also add cloves, but we want a 1/2 teaspoon of the cloves. Okay, put that in there. Okay, and we'll add a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger. Alrighty then, ginger. I love ginger. Ginger is so good for you. You should always eat it. It's very good. And then we'll have a little bit of nutmeg, which would be 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, we also would like to add 2 tablespoons of Jello pudding mix. Also have some pink Himalayan salt. My niece is going to put a pinch of that in. Okay, thank you, niece. We're adding in the wet stuff. All right, which would be water. Thanks a lot, niece. Okay, we continue to mix and mix and mix. This is great stuff here. Alrighty then, we're still mixing. Has to get a nice, good consistency. It's looking well. Now we're going to add the bumpin' pumpkin bundt cake mix to the bundt pan. Here's my niece helping me again, Toria. Spin it, niece. Okay. So know what she's doing. She's done this before. She's a good cook also. Yay! Yay! All right. That's right, niece. That's right. This is going to be so good. We're going to really enjoy this. You can also add powdered sugar when you're finished, Cool Whip, or a little caramel sauce. Now we're going to put it in the oven, preheated for 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Yay! Okay, here we are. Here we go. Here's the finished product. This is our bumpin' pumpkin bundt cake. Now we're going to dump it out and put it onto a nice pretty plate. Oh, how pretty. Now what you can do is put some powdered sugar on top or a glaze. What we're going to do is we're going to make some powdered sugar today and put on our bumpin' pumpkin bundt cake. You get your granulated sugar, you get a blender, you pour the sugar into the blender. You put the top on and you pulse until it becomes, a fine, fine mix. All right, here we go. Let's see. That looked delicious. Wow. Niece, what do you think?
It looks great.
Oh, it's going to taste even better. All right. Now, that's how you make bumpin' pumpkin bundt cake. Yay! Now we're going to try the finished product of our bumpin' pumpkin bundt cake. You ready, nieces?
Yep.
Yay! Here we go. All right, we're going to slice nice little slices here. And we're all going to try. Oh, look how delicious that looks. All right, let's taste. It's so moist. It's good. Yes. Thumbs up, nieces.
Definitely.
All right.
And 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Yay!